Hey everyone, and welcome back. Scheduling meetings across different time zones can be a nightmare. In this video, I'll show you how Calendly automatically handles it for you. First, log into your Calendly and go to your account settings. Under Event Type Defaults, make sure your own time zone is correctly set. This is your base reference point now. The real magic happens for your invitees. When you share your Calendly link, they will always see your available time slots converted into their own local time zone. You don't have to do anything. Calendly detects their location automatically. This means if you're in New York and your invitee is in London, they won't see your 2 p.m. slot as 2 p.m. their time. They'll see it as 7 p.m., perfectly matching their schedule. You can also set specific event types to lock to a single time zone if you're scheduling something like a live webinar that happens at a fixed time for everyone. And that's it. By letting Calendly manage the time zones, you eliminate all the confusion and back and forth, making scheduling with anyone in the world completely seamless. If this saves you from a scheduling headache, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.